In this video, we're going to solve trigonometric equations with multiple angles. It says, which of the following are solutions to the following equation where 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi? And they give you 2 cosine 2 theta equals root 2. The first thing I want to notice is that this is talking about theta, and it's between 0 and 2 pi, but they're giving us 2 theta. So really, our interval is not 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. Our interval is 0 less than or equal to 2 theta. So if I double this, then I have to double this side, which would be less than 4 pi. So it's really within 2 revolutions around the unit circle. So let's start solving this by dividing by 2 on each side. And I get cosine 2 theta is equal to root 2 over 2. So then I figure out, when does cosine equal root 2 over 2? If I pull in my first quadrant, cosine is root 2 over 2 at 45 degrees. So we've got pi over 4 there. So we can write that as pi over 4, one of our possible solutions. But also, it happens at 7 pi over 4, which would be in the fourth quadrant because cosine is positive here in the fourth quadrant. So we're going to say 7 pi over 4 as well. Now, that's not when theta equals those two. That's actually when 2 theta equals those two things because of what our angle is inside there. And it's not just those two coordinates because we have coordinates that can go between 0 and 4 pi because we're doubling the angle. So it's not just pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. We actually need to add 2 pi to each of these and then divide everything here by 2. So we're going to do that. Let's add 2 pi. So I'm going to say pi over 4 plus 2 pi. And I'm going to take 7 pi over 4, and I'm going to add 2 pi as well. And when I do that, this would be pi over 4 plus 8 pi over 4, which is 9 pi over 4. So I got a coterminal angle with pi over 4, but just on the second revolution. Then 7 pi over 4 plus 8 pi over 4, which is 15 pi over 4. So I've got now 2 theta is equal to pi over 4, 7 pi over 4, 9 pi over 4, and 15 pi over 4. Because this is between 0 and 4 pi, right? And you can see that this is within 4 pi because 16 pi over 4 would be 4 pi, so 15 pi over 4 is within that range. Let's divide everything here by 2 so we can figure out what theta is, and theta would equal pi over 8, 7 pi over 8, 9 pi over 8, and 15 pi over 8. So if we look at our solutions up here, we've got 9 pi over 8, pi over 8, 7 pi over 8, and 15 pi over 8. Those would be our 4 solutions.